Cool Squad Air Conditioning presents the new Google Nest Thermostat, 4th generation. A smart device that helps you save on your electric bill, improve comfort, and manage your air conditioning system automatically and efficiently. Here are its main features and benefits. The thermostat learns your schedules and preferences to adjust the temperature automatically. It analyzes your energy usage, suggests improvements, and generates savings reports. It detects when everyone leaves the house and reduces energy consumption. The modern and elegant screen fits any space and is easy to use. It clearly displays all key information: temperature, humidity, alerts, and settings. Thanks to its small wireless remote sensors, you can control the temperature of a preferred room automatically. Using the housemate's phone geolocation system, the thermostat adjusts the temperature as they move away from or approach home. It shows and sends alerts for filter changes and maintenance recommendations to prevent system interruptions. Manage everything from your smartphone or smart devices using the Google Home app and voice commands. Cool Squad installs it for you and will happily provide a quick explanation on how to use it. You'll also receive a free air conditioning system inspection during installation. Additionally, we offer professional duct cleaning services, solutions for improving air quality to reduce allergies, asthma, and other health issues. Experience a new level of control. With the new Google Nest Thermostat, you can make your home smarter and start saving from day one. Please call us, contact us, or visit coolsquadact.com for more information.